So what is your name and the name of your business?
Hi, my name is Angie Chicon.
Okay, cool. And what did you learn that you can apply?
What I learned that I can apply is basically that there's a lot of tools that are available that you guys have, which is really exciting for myself and many others on how they can build a successful brand, how they can sell on e-commerce and do really well.
Awesome. Thank you. And what was your biggest takeaway from the workshop?
My biggest takeaway was that there's this new opportunity, and if I wanted to get into the supplements or skincare space, it's really easy now. I could just get one product at a time and start with no money down, and it just makes it super easy for a lot of people to actually get in and be able to sell a really good high quality line of supplements and or skincare.
Awesome. And do you think that people should come to events and workshops?
So I definitely think that people should come to more events and workshops like this. It's always good to expand your knowledge in what you're doing and what you want to do and what you want to achieve, because that's going to give you the ability to actually be able to do it.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Sure.